This is it's kind of different one from the chapter 0.5. So in order to find this one, so the question is this one, yeah. Okay, so first question is this one. Find the sample mean of university A. So, mean. Yeah, just this one. So we need 10, yeah. So this one, and then this one. Opposite should be 7. Okay, so of course, university B is larger, and so we are looking for the difference. So this one, and then we're looking for the T, yeah. So it's a B's, the difference is, so this one we have to use paired T hypothesis test. So it's just it should be 2, and then p-value is just this one, and then it's lower than the significance level, so we are gonna reject, and then this one, that's it.